Glass cutting machine SYP5804 triangle T. C. And time coated mold and switch box over there. Separate it. And the alarm lamp will be added after test. For Romania. Very crispy. Okay, the temperature is at 230. And 4 switches and the 3 dial controller. Speed 4.7. Thickness 00. Depth of core depth is 2.0 as a first setting. And pressure. This is the C, safety cover sensor line. Around 100, around 890. After check or set the pressure gauge, you have better close it. Use longer. Emergency button here. Okay. And send out the cylinder there, and below there is the pressure support valve to keep the stable pressure. 3 solenoid valve provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the mold movement. Okay. 6-phase motor, pump, oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time during the machine works. This white rice and brown rice mix. And feeding plate. When the feeding plate go forward, the stroke sensor will turn off and come back to the end and turn on again, otherwise cannot go to the next step. 2 springs is the feeding plate bring back, drive motor and jar head to make the feeding plate go forward. Oil valve, check valve and lift valve. Lift valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench, turn clockwise, increase pressure, on clockwise, decrease pressure. The 3 solenoid valves here, motor and oil tank. Okay, and control box here. The inverter, 60 Hz. SSR, the keep the temperature stable. Breaker and contactor, relays. On PCB the brain of this machine, and transformer here, oil tank inside, the hydraulic oil 20 liters. Okay. Right.